Never, ever back off. Saul Niguez.That lesson should be drummed into the heads of defenders across the land, and it's one Lokomotiv Moscow could have done with heating ahead of their Europa League clash against Atletico Madrid tonight. The Spanish midfielder received the ball on the far side of midfield, skipped away from one challenge, and bore down on goal. Only, now challenge was seemingly forthcoming, and, rather than continue running like a sucker, Niguez decided he'd be better off just fucking walloping the ball dead hard, right into the fucking net. The strike handed Atleti the lead on the night, and also provided Diego Simeone's men with a vital away goal in their round of 16 tie against the Russian Giants.